have no words. I just got a ginormous package from Honestly Texas Rice. I've tried their rice once before and it was like really good. So let's open it. Oh my god. Stickers, a card, notepads. Definitely gonna need these for school. A cutting board. This is so preppy. I love it. The rice, of course. This is low grain brown rice. I haven't tried the low grain brown rice, so I'm excited for that. Pens. Look at this. This logo is like so cute. Confetti quick bread mix. I'm excited to make this. Look how cute these are. And this Halloween theme. Yep, clock it. That's a slinky. Guys, come on now. The rice was enough. It's crayons, baking pans, and they're also pink. Stop. This is adorable. And a chef hat. Yeah. Cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Put the straws in. Yes. I feel like the peppiest chef. This one has a message for my sister. It says, this one's just for you. Thanks for sharing your sister with us. This is amazing. It's so thoughtful. I will be making the rice, so stay tuned. Bye. Thank you so much.